How to save photos and videos on Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download the photos and videos that you get on your Viber chat. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now let's jump into the video. The very first thing you want to do is simply open up your Viber, and if someone has sent you a photo message and you want it to download automatically on your device, then in that case, you will have to turn on the automatic download of media on Viber. So first of all, head over to the More section down below on the right side of your screen. Now from here, you'll just have to head over to the Settings menu. So just tap on Settings. And from here, you'll have to just tap on the media section right here. So as you can see here, you'll just have to make sure to turn on the save to gallery. So if it is turned off, just toggle this on. And then if you want your media to download over mobile network, you can turn it on as well. So it will auto download media when connected to Wi-Fi, and also auto download media when it's connected to mobile data as well. If you want to autoplay the videos, you can do that as well. So you can choose the quality of your photo as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.